Hi Gaby, this recording is only for your daughter because it seems like the other parents don't really care, so not gonna waste my time with them. If they want something from me, they're gonna have to, I don't know, to wait in line, and so that's not really important anymore. I'm not focusing my energy on that. But anyway, soft. This is first grade basic skills reading comprehension, and it's normally should be page 8. Page 8 of the book. Soft. The opposite is hard. A soft pillow. Okay, let me just write that down. It's gonna be easier for you. So hold on, this is for my French classes. It's a new one. So we're gonna make it very big and we're gonna write different examples. Okay, soft, a soft pillow. Okay. We can also say a hard mattress. A mattress is what you sleep on. What you sleep on. Okay. So you don't put your head, you put your whole body. So near and far. We can also say close. My house is near the school. Or we can say, my house is close to the school. And we can also replace, we can say far. My house is far. But we're not going to say to here. We're going to say something else. My house is far from the school. Okay, many people make mistakes like that, you know, with these tiny prepositions: to, from, close to. Okay, so be careful. And far from. Okay, so after I'll send you this link, not this link, this text. Full, empty. So we can say, my glass is full. Let's say full of water. Or my glass is empty. There's nothing in it. Full is like, let me see if I can. Let me see if I can find something about that. I have this kind of, you know, emoticon I can use. Let's see here. So full is like full of water, full of milk, full of soda or something like that. Okay, so I don't have an emoticon here because I'm using my computer. Anyway, we can say my glass is empty. I finish my milk. I finish my water. Okay, so just, no, I'm not finding anything. But anyway, so now we have fast. Okay, so my car is fast. My car is fast. Let's see. And my car is slow. Here, slow. Very slow. So like a turtle, you know, like a turtle. This one. Okay. After round. Okay, the ball is round. I say ball, so round, let's say ball is like that. We're gonna just keep it like that. Okay, the ball is round. And the ball is square. Okay, not the ball is square. Let's say the box is squarish. Okay, it's let's say it's a square. Okay, or we're gonna make it even better. The box looks like a square. Okay, let's say, or square like a house as well, you see, you know, or whatever, or like a gift, like a gift. Now, sit, sit and stand, sit down. You can say sit down, to sit on a chair, okay, and stand up. So up, see if I can have a man standing up, or like a tree stands. You know, you're not sitting, you're like up. Now, when you are sitting on your chair, your teacher can say stand up. And when you are standing up, your teacher can tell you sit down. Okay. Wet. What can be wet? Well, the dog is completely wet. Okay. Like don't have an emoticon for that. Wet is like there is a lot of water. Okay, there is a lot of water. Let's say up. Now dry. Where is it? Dry. So the dog is now dry. Okay, like, you know, you have wind. Now it's completely dry. It's not humid, it's not wet, the opposite. Now we have push. Don't push me. You know, you push someone and this person can fall. Let's see if I have an emoticon for that. Or trip. Sorry. And don't push me, I'm gonna fall. Okay, don't push me, I'm going to fall. And pull something is like you bring something towards you. Okay, you bring something towards you. So your mom can explain that. Okay, you bring something towards you. So now we're gonna just do this page. I'll see if I have time to send another page after. Clean and dirty. Okay, my house is really clean. Okay, clean. We clean. Okay, and the classroom is really dirty. So dirty, not clean, the opposite of that. Okay, so cry, the boy cries. You know, we cannot change that. We're gonna just be like, don't cry, everything is going to be okay. And laugh. Okay, it's gonna be fine. And you make me laugh. You make me laugh. Okay, so I'll send you this, and we can go through some stuff, because in 5 minutes I have another class. So I'm trying my best to send you on a regular basis some stuff. Okay, so that way Gaby can work on her English. You have a nice day. I'll try a bit later to, you know, to give you something else. Okay, see you soon.